Hey y'all, I'm Laura with the National RV Training Academy in Athens, Texas. I am a student advisor here on the campus, so I'll probably talk to several of you guys on the telephone. But today, I want to take time out and show you what our home study course is about. Now, this is something for the RV owner that you can fix 80% of your problems on your RV just by what's in this box. It's extremely helpful and it's perfect as a gift. You want to help somebody, you know somebody who has an RV? Well, gift them this box and they're going to love you forever, because this is where it's at right here, fixing 80% of your problems on your own rig. So let's take a look inside of the box and see what you get. All right. So when you open the box, you're going to find a screwdriver. You say a screwdriver, that's very handy. Everybody needs the screwdriver. And it's one of those that you can turn around. You have a Phillips or a straight, okay? So next you're going to have, this is where the magic is, right here in this little box. This is your USB thumb drive. It comes labeled with the NRVTA logo, so you'll never misplace this or mix it up with another thumb drive you might have. So it's always going to be in that protective box. Next is going to be the information that you'll find here. Congratulations on taking the next step, okay? It's going to have the course material information here. It's going to have how do you get started. It's also in here, as well as the instructions there to do your USB thumb drive on your computer. What if you have questions? There's also information here about who to contact when you have a problem, if there is a problem. But you can always contact us front and back. Now let's talk about the bonus. There is a bonus in this kit. So the box is $397, okay, for all of the great information. But there's a $300 training credit. So you say, well, what is a $300 training credit? It's a bonus. You're going to receive a $300 training credit towards your first week of RV fundamentals here at the school in Athens, Texas. That is our live hands-on course. So $397 and then a $300 training credit. What's better than that, right? So next you would have the student tool list. This is going to tell you the tools that you would need to do the hands-on portion of the work, okay? And then you're going to get into the workbooks. The workbooks are going to cover the electrical systems, AC and DC. You're going to have the propane workbook. And y'all, these are fabulous. This is something that you'll be able to keep forever. Great detail, the pictures. They're going to give you all of that information in these workbooks. We have another workbook for air conditioners, another one for water heaters, and then we have the RV exterior. So that is going to be 6 workbooks that you're going to receive for the $397 value plus your thumb drive. So that is a huge purchase of information that you're going to be able to fix 80% of the problems on your own rig with this home study course for $397. And don't forget your $300 training credit. So that is 40 hours of video on this one thumb drive, including all of these workbooks. It's a fantastic value for $397. To order the home study course, you can call the National RV Training Academy today at 903-386-0444 or on our website at nrvta.com.